Let me show you how to enable and use voice access on your Samsung Galaxy S26 if you want to control your phone by simply asking it various commands. So first let's go in the settings, then swipe till you see accessibility, interaction and dexterity, and make sure to enable it over here. As see, it also will place this button here. Also make sure to click here in the voice access, and you see, for example, you can also like launch it. You can set basically any command to launch it anytime or also turn it off. And also in the settings, also make sure this is enabled. By default it's not actually enabled, so you probably won't understand how to actually start or stop it. So you see, yeah, for example, it creates this button. Also we can like move around this button wherever we want. And then you can start using it. Oh, also, if you go in the settings, also you can learn all the commands, basically how to control it here. So simply go over here and it will show you what it can actually do and how to control it. So for example, you see, it's, yeah, let's start it. So by clicking this button here now and say, hey, go back, go to home, open calculator, type 77p. Yep, go back, open phone, dial Nokia, call Nokia, hang up, end call. So you see, yeah, you can actually control it in pretty much every way, but you have to learn basically those commands. I see it's actually very powerful, so you can ask it pretty much everything. Also, if you randomly keep talking, so you see it's listening, but it's actually not doing, since again, it only is triggered on those commands. If you want to stop it, so again, click over here, or also if you had those shortcuts, so you see, for example, I had set the power plus up, so to start it or stop it. So you see, this also is probably good. Okay, good luck.